Next important parameter is undernourishment. One way to find out if we are undernourished is to calculate body mass index. How to calculate body mass index? Take the weight in kilogram and the height in meters. Divide the weight by the square of the height. If this figure is less than 18.5, then the person would be considered undernourished. If this BMI is more than 25, then a person is overweight. This criterion is not applicable for growing children. This is an activity for you. After this class, you have to calculate your body mass index through this method. The number you get is called BMI. Then look at the BMI for age-wise in the pages 90-91, the back page of your economics textbook. The next topic is Human Development Index. The Human Development Index is published by UNDP, United Nations Development Programme, compares countries on the basis of the educational level of the people and their health status and per capita income. So what are the three indicators of Human Development Index? Education, health status and per capita income. The geometric mean of these three indicators are taken when we calculate Human Development Index for various countries. Here you can see the slide which mentioned the data regarding Human Development Index of India and its neighboring countries. As per this data, India is ranked 131, which is better than many other countries like Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. But you can see that Sri Lanka fares better than India in this index. Finally, I will take the last part of our chapter, Sustainability of Development. There is a very good saying which says, we have not inherited this world from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our children. This actually means that while thinking about development, we must consider the needs of our future generation. We studied the same topic, sustainable economic development, in our geography chapter 1. Just recall your memories. What do you mean by sustainable economic development? Sustainable economic development means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with the needs of future generations. Then, what are the various measures of sustainable development? From the slide, we can understand the various measures for sustainable development. First one, controlling over-exploitation and creating an awareness to provide sustainable development. Then, increased use of renewable resources. Third one, less use of fossil fuels. Then fourth, introduction of organic farming. Fifth one, adopting measures to reduce global warming. Then last one, it requires preservation of stock of resources including exhaustible natural resources and environmental resources. Recent studies show that groundwater in India is exhausted because of its overuse. 1/3 of the country is overusing its groundwater resources. Is there any relation between environmental degradation and economic development? Yes. Our mismanagement of natural resources will lead to environmental degradation that is not confined to national or state boundary, because its consequences have been felt in the surrounding states or surrounding countries or sometimes globally. For example, pollution in one country may affect the other country in the form of acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming, climate change, etc. Deforestation in some countries may disturb the rainfall pattern in the surrounding countries. Land degradation and dam burst can bring massive siltation and flood-like situation. Thus, it is rightly said that we have not inherited this world from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our children. From the words of Mahatma Gandhi, there is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed. Children, please note that the corresponding URLs, test paper, then PPT, notes of the lesson are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.